Illa Salomão liuhusi Ministru Governasaun Tradisionál Pás no Ekliziastika Jaimie Lency Vokia foi in lalaisne iha Nova IORKE hasoru malu ho Sekretáriu Jerál organizasaun intergovernamentál mais Helder da Costa hodi kolia kona-ba tempu-besik Illa Salomão se halo ratifikasaun ba charter mais nian. Governante husi Illa Salomão ne hateten se inicia sirania orçamento geral estado iha loron hat fula novembro. Governo se buka meu atu ratifika lalais carta mais nian.
It gives us more understanding and trust into the family, and widens the thought of addressing specific concerns that will be raised by our colleagues back at home. By listening to the brief that you shared, it secures or strengthens the alliance that is now with us. Our economic cooperation is the way we look at it in bigger terms, and the challenges and the solutions that you shared to sum up what my team back at home would, as we go back and share with the officers. We are looking at moving this thing much more faster now. I'd ask that we'd have some more copies of this to be printed back at home, to be shared with our members in cabinet who are aggressive in presenting it for sites into convincing cabinet. So probably just 10 or 15 copies of this. Yeah, and maybe I give it to maybe 5 for my colleagues in the UN office here already.
Além de Burundi nação ide iha kontinente África consegue halo ona processo ratifikasaun ba carta mais nian. Tambane iha tinan rihun rua rumuluresin halo nação rua maksei completa processo ratifikasaun ba carta mais nian. Nebe nação membro sira bela senti hanesa nain os ba mais.